In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your GoDaddy website. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk through it step by step together, ensuring you have your brand's identity front and center on your site. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to open up a web browser. This can be any browser of your choice: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you're comfortable using. Once your browser is up, type in GoDaddy's website address, or simply search for GoDaddy through your search engine. Once you're on their homepage, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. GoDaddy provides several convenient login options, including using your email, Facebook, or Google accounts. Choose whichever option works best for you and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once inside your account, locate the section labeled Websites Plus Marketing on your dashboard. This is where all your web management tools are housed. Under this section, you should see a list of your websites. Find the website you want to add a logo to, and then select the Manage button next to it. After you've accessed the management page for your website, click on the Edit button to open up the Website Builder editor. This is the tool we'll use to make changes to your site. Now, let's focus on your website's homepage. Here, you'll want to point to the top section, known as the header. Click on any open area or existing text within this header section, as this is where your logo will be displayed. As soon as you click, a settings pane should appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Within this pane, look for and select the Logo option. You'll then have a choice. Select Upload or Create a Logo. If you already have a logo file on your computer, click on Upload and navigate to where your logo is stored. Once you find the correct file, upload it. Alternatively, if you don't have a logo yet, or if you're looking to refresh your brand's look, GoDaddy offers some fantastic tools. You can take advantage of their AI-powered logo creation tool or even avail of their design services to craft a new logo right there. Once your logo is uploaded or created, you'll have options to fine-tune its appearance, zoom in or out, adjust its alignment, and even change the background color if necessary. Remember, your changes are saved automatically, but it's a good idea to use the Preview option. This will let you see exactly how the logo looks on your site before making anything live. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes. You can further test how your new branding integrates with your site's functionality using the Preview function. Once everything is to your liking, click on Publish to set your changes live on the internet. And there you have it. You've successfully added a logo to your GoDaddy website. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.